what you don't know. And I thought I knew and I didn't.
Because you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
Alright, you beautiful mother jumpers. Welcome back to my channel. I am here with another one, okay? I'm coming back with another one from Nadula hair. So let me tell y'all the... Ooh, my little ashy hand. Let me tell y'all the real story behind this. Nadula hair so graciously provided us with the V-part wig. After I told them I'm not doing no more V-part wigs. Why? My biggest thing with V-part wigs is that the sell is that it's no leave out, but I always have to leave my hair out. And I told them. And I also told them, if I gotta leave my hair out, I'm taking pictures and I'm doing this video just the way it's supposed to look with no leave out. I'm not fucking playing. I'm not playing. I'm not playing. So here I am back with a V-part wig because they was selling me. They was like, listen, no sis, no, it's gonna be right sis. And I said, all right. Because y'all said I don't have to leave no hair out. Y'all said that. I didn't say that. Y'all said that. So we're going to come on through. I have a coily 4C, okay? V-part wig, all right? She has 4 combs. These are clips, 4 clips at the top, 2 combs on the side. So mother is going to be secure. Already, I'm liking where we're going because this is a different construction that I'm used to seeing, especially with the band. This is very different. It comes with the security band here as well as a comb in the back and adjustable straps. Wakanda forever still because Wakanda ain't did nothing to us. Now, I want to show you guys before we get into the wig, the gifts that they gave us because we love gifts. Nadula hair came through with this beautiful Nadula robe, okay? Mother loves a robe. I only don't have it on right now because we headed out tonight. We are headed out. So they came through with a robe. More gifts. More gifts, I'm telling you. They made sure we had wig caps because we always need those. They gave us a makeup brush. An edge band. We always need edge bands, okay? A bonnet, which we love. Because I don't know about y'all, but I'm always losing a bonnet. Okay? What's in the back? Look, oh, the back box. Hang on. And these lashes that I told y'all to stop giving us. Let me stop. They know I love them. So I'm going to come on through, okay, and get this unit together, guys. I'm going to put all of the contents, our gifts in here. So we can consolidate and get ready. But I'm being honest, we 3 minutes in, and if I can't throw this on my head and keep it moving, we're going to have a goddamn problem. Okay? We're going to have a mammy-tatting problem. So let me go ahead. Y'all got to forgive me. I had a real big old cup of coffee today, honey. My hair look a mess, and not near a hole better say something. Not near one. Okay? So unit is 24 inches of Love, Sex, and Magic. It is a 4C coily haired unit, which we love. We love a natural look. I want to show you guys how it's netted at the top. Now, I'm looking at how it's different from other V-part wigs. Because it's got to be different, right? Otherwise, y'all wouldn't be sending it to me, correct? Oh, I'm being so shady today. First of all, I can't be shady talking about people looking like this, though. So let me be quiet before somebody come run up on me. But it does look like they're providing us with a little bit more of the mesh at the top. Just a little bit more. So I'm hoping that's the case. And that's the difference. I do like that my hair is already kind of like puffy. So hopefully it blends in properly. This unit at 24 inches is going for, I believe, $250. Now, if she act right, we on to something Nadula hair. If she act right, y'all out here, y'all crocheting the mammy-tammy hair in, doing this and that. They said no hair out. I'm not going to be doing no extra stuff, and y'all told me I didn't have to. Huh. told him I wasn't taking no hair out, didn't I? I told him I'm going to take these pictures just like this, okay? Because I'm not playing. I'm not playing. And y'all be like, oh, you got to pull the hair through on the other side. And you got to do this and you got to do that. What y'all need to understand is the girls is wearing wigs and not getting these weaves and everything like that because of maintenance. We don't want to have to do that. Especially if we buy a U-Part wig, we want to just do what we got to do, throw the bitch on, and she wearing her ready to go. I don't want to have to go through all this mess to get the style that y'all told me I wouldn't have to take no hair out for. We looking for protective styles. It's 2022. We want hair down our back too. Okay, now I'm going to say this though. You might be thinking that the hair feels crunchy munch, but it doesn't to me. It actually does not. It feels really nice. It's shedding a bit, but it's really curly hair, so you know how we feel about that. That's just par for the course. She's still giving Clip the big red dog, but maybe if I do a little bit of that. I'm gonna judge it a bit. Okay. Look at that, y'all. Yeah, I think that's how we gotta do it. Okay, I'm gonna shut up. I'm gonna get the rest of this together. So should I shut up today? Now, I done said all that mess. I done talked all that mess. I don't got a lick of hair out. A lick. Nadula hair, I would like to really provide my apologies for acting a fool because y'all told me. Y'all told me. I got the trust. I got trust issues, baby. I got trust issues, baby. But y'all told me. Don't worry about it, boo. You ain't gonna have to take your hair out. Y'all told me that. Y'all told me that, and I was fighting y'all tooth and nail, and the reality is, but baby, you don't know what you don't know, and I thought I knew, and I didn't. And I didn't. I think this is beautiful. I had so much to say. I was very annoyed. I'm gonna be honest. And I was doing this. Imagine you having such a good relationship with a company that you like, I'm gonna do it. And I'm going to do it out of spite because we got a good relationship. But if I don't like it, I'm going to say it. And then you get sad. You get sad. You cannot like it if you want to, ho. It works. Take your time, ho. It works. Yo, I really think I look cute. I think I could walk around like this, too. Like, I might walk around like that. I'm going to Catch tonight for dinner. My girlfriend's dinner. It's her birthday. My man would love this. Let me tell you something I do like here. When y'all come, okay? Y'all were on time. You were correct. And it is appreciated. I'm obsessed. I love it. I love it. Okay? And y'all prove me wrong. And we love that too because I'm not always right. Contrary to popular belief, I know I'm brilliant. I know. But this unit is actually kind of going with my aesthetic. Let me show you my dress. Let's here for the dress. Ooh. Don't worry about my beads in the back, child. Let me turn around so y'all can see the back of the hair. She is thicker than a snicker. Now, again, this unit is $250. Okay. It's an expensive unit, but it is. I ain't got no hair out. You looking for a protective style? This might be the way to go, boo. So let me know what you guys think about this one. Did I get set? Did I get set? Or no, y'all not feeling it. Let me know. I didn't put anything in this hair. I didn't wet her or anything. I said, you know what? If she Kinky coily hoe, we're going to pull her out with our fingers and get her all the way together. I'm not using no product. I'm not using nothing. I'm in the wrong era, and I told y'all hoes that, okay? I love y'all. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have not already, do me a favor and subscribe to this Mermaid channel, okay? And I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later. Bye!